Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to save a location in Uber so you can quickly access your frequently visited places without typing the full address every time. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several menu options. Go ahead and tap on Account to open up your profile settings and preferences. This is where you'll manage all your Uber account details and customization options. Once you're inside the account section, you'll need to find and tap on Settings. This will take you to a more detailed menu where you can adjust various aspects of how your Uber app works. The settings menu gives you control over everything from payment methods to privacy options, but for now, we're focusing on saving locations. Inside the settings menu, look for an option called Shortcuts and tap on it. This is the feature that allows you to store your most visited addresses so you can select them with just one tap when booking a ride. It's incredibly useful for places you go to regularly like work, home, the gym, or a friend's house. Now you'll see a button that says Add a New Place. Go ahead and tap on that to begin creating your saved location. This will open up a form where you can enter all the details about the place you want to save. In the first field, you'll need to input the address of the location you want to save. Type in the full street address, making sure it's accurate so your driver knows exactly where to take you. The app might even suggest addresses as you type, which can help you enter it more quickly and accurately. After you've entered the address, you'll see another field where you can input a location nickname. This is where you can give your saved place a memorable name that makes sense to you. For example, you could type something like friend's name, mom's house, favorite cafe, or anything else that helps you instantly recognize the location. This nickname is what you'll see when you're selecting from your saved places, so choose something clear and easy to remember. Once you've filled in both the address and the nickname, look for the button at the bottom that says Save Place and tap on it. This confirms your entry and adds the location to your shortcuts list. The app will process this information and store it in your account. And that's it. You've now added a saved location to your Uber account, making it much faster to book rides to places you visit often. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.